Hello and welcome back. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a product video in CapCut. We are going to make use of two apps, PixelLab and CapCut. So I'm going to show you how to create this. So let's dive right in. So we are going to open our PixelLab, and for this we are going to create the shapes we need for the videos. So when you open your PixelLab application, this is the interface you will see. You can just tap on this and press delete. So you click on plus button, click on shape. You see, this is the shape it's going to bring. So you are going to go to this radius and bring it down to around 20 something, and don't forget to increase both sides. So you have something like this with a radius of 20 something. So you can add any color depending on the product you are creating. You can decide to import your product, so you can select that particular color of your product for this. So I'm going to do one example, and that is what we are going to use for the rest of it. Instead of selecting maybe a permanent color here, what you can do is, after selecting the shape, just press OK, press this plus button, you go to your gallery, locate the product. So let's say this is one of the products, so you're going to bring it in, just press yes. So what we are going to do is just leave the product like this. You now tap on this particular color, tap on it. You can go to back to edit, now go to color. So instead of picking from here, press plus, press this first one, select this, select the bag. So it's going to automatically select the color of the bag, press yes, and here you have it. That's what you're going to do for all the products you have. So when you are done doing this, click on this yes, tap the bag. You can now delete the bag. So now to save this particular shape, just click this fourth thing, press transparent, you tap this button up here, click save as image, select PNG, select ultra high, then you save to your gallery. Repeat that for all the products you have again. So when you are done with this shape, another shape you might want to do is you can delete it. Another shape you might want to bring is click on plus, is the shape for maybe your price tag. So you can click on this circle, reduce it, give it any color you want, probably white, black. Click on save. You are going to save it the same way. And apart from this, also the next shape you might want to also bring is click on shape, select white. So you go to stroke, so this stroke width is 0, so you can increase it to 1110 or something. Now you're going to give it the color of maybe the background of your product. Also give it the color of the background of your product. So when you are done doing that, click on yes and you save it also. Now that we are done with the shapes, we'll dive into CapCut to edit. Now that we are back to CapCut app, we start editing proper. So you click on new project, go to stock videos, select this white, click on add. So now this is your interface. You can now elongate these depending on how many products you are creating and how many seconds you want them on the screen. So now once you are done doing this, tap text, tap add text, then you can type in any text you want depending on what you are creating. You understand? Your script matters. Are you looking for, so I'm just writing, are you looking for quality bags? So you might not see this because it's probably white, so we are going to change it to something like this. Then I can go to font, give it any font I want, and place it in the center, then give it animation. So give it animation, with this Stroud animation. Good. Once you are done doing this, now you edit the product proper. So you click on overlay. We are working mostly with overlay for them, so you add overlay. So the first thing you bring in is your main shape, the shape we created. So Let's bring in this. So these are the shapes. So you can increase it so it's kind of big. Now once you are done doing this, just type back, click on add overlay again. Then you can bring in your product. Okay, bring in the product, put it somewhere around there. Tap back, add overlay again. Then bring in the other shapes. The shapes. So you click on it. Good. So now you increase this also. You can place one here. So what you're going to do is when you place one there, just scroll a bit and type copy. So it's going to duplicate. So you are going to bring it down and add it to the bottom. Because if you try to add overlay again, it might lag because CapCut and some other apps have minimum numbers of overlay they allow compared to KineMaster. So once you are done doing this, you can now bring this one somewhere around there. So now what we are going to do next is animate everything. So you tap on it, click on animation. So for the in animation, look for what best suits your video. So just want to use this shake down. Then you tap on the product. Also tap on any of them. For this one, I want to use zoom for this. Then the product. I shake down too for it. Can reduce it a bit. Then for this other part also. So you've animated everything. And don't forget, you should add in and out animation. I only added in. So you go to out animation, and you look for what best suits your video. So for this I might just select side for the bag. The right side is good. And for the shape, fade out. For this other shape, fade out. And for this main shape, you can just let it slide up. So you have something like this now. So everything is coming together. So this is what you are going to do for everything. So the next thing to do is add your text. You go to text. So right here where your bags are coming in, you add on text. Then you type in what you want. Let's say bag A. Don't forget to change the color. So I'm going to change this to white. I will remove the stroke so it's only white alone. So you're going to add it here. You give it in and out animation also. Can allow it flip in, then tap on the out, then you allow it flip out too. So and ensure that everything is leaving and coming in at the same time. As in leaving at the same time. That's very important. They might come in differently at the timed. So after this, the text comes in and everything will leave at the same time. So after the text, you can now add your description and price tag. So for the add text, you can add any forward. You can add this as the beginning or add this at the beginning. You can just type something like shoulder strap. You can reduce it and bring it towards this place. Good. So don't forget, give it in and out animation. So then tap out animation, look for what best suits it, and also give it. So now for this feature, instead of typing and giving the rest of the features animation, what you should do is just tap on this first one you've done, then do copy. So you duplicated it tries or depending on. So when you tap this, you can just bring it down. So what you are going to change alone is just the text. The animation you've given it will also be in the rest of it, so you don't have to be adding animations again. So that's one way you can easily work on your project. So now, and you can see the shape and the text is overlapping their product, so you can just reduce the product again and bring it closer to this side. Go back to your text. Then you can now go to style and edit them. Strap, anything you want to add, just add it and ensure they are uniform. Adjustable, ensure they are uniform. So when you are done doing this is what you are going to replicate for the rest of the video. Also, this is what you are going to replicate for the rest of the product. So I'm going to do that now. I'm done doing that. So I've replicated for the 4 products we have. So after this first overlay, just to move a bit, ensure everything is living at the same time. Then you move again, added the yellow, the bag, and the 2 shapes. I did for the red, then for the black. Then you had your call to action. Call to action is very important in everything you are creating, because you want them to do something after watching it. Is it that to ask for more? Is it that to buy and the likes? So I added a number with that. So this is basically how you create product video in CapCut. Thank you for watching.